You know what I mean? Because make some good food now. And their tacos are good. It's not like it's not like the Taco Bell taco.
Or do you want a flat taco?
Yeah, or those tacos. But I'm gonna see where it's at. I'm gonna Google it because they said that down that street. They say it's really good.
You need to eat more celery.
Celery? We should buy some. We should have bought some at the store. I'm down to eat celery, okay?
You know what I want to try?
What?
Celery and peanut butter. I heard that it's good.
I used to eat that when I was a kid. My mom used to make that for me. Interesting taste. I want to take my car wash over there. Man, that place is freaking jumping. I'm determined to find a restaurant around our area that we go to frequently. In our area.
Lori did.
Yeah, but down in why mama? What you laughing? That's your baby. You guess it's your baby? You know damn well you claim that child. Hey, Bob. Funny? Oh, you gonna take this opportunity, huh?
Heck yeah.
I see all that damn traffic coming up. What, Seba? Who? Possibly.
No.
They
They went to their house to watch TV. They're gonna watch TV and play with Bruno and Chloe and Sophie. Huh? No, we're not gonna see the animals later. Maybe tomorrow.
You gonna go see animals?
Whoa!
What'd you see?
What was that?
What'd you see?
I just saw. What was that?
What did it look like? Describe it. What did... Slow... Alright, run it back. What did you see?